Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless circular saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDCCS 20C 20 volts cordless circular saw. The BLACK+DECKER BDCCS 20C is another great power tool that is compact and easy to use. If you are looking for a cordless circular saw for the money, then you should consider this tool. It comes at a pretty reasonable price and it offers great value for money. This tool works with any BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max battery system, as it comes as a bare tool without the battery. It comes with a powerful motor that delivers up to 5,500 rotations per minute. This circular saw also features bevel adjustment with detents at both 90 and 45 degrees. With this feature, you can make accurate and precise angled cuts. The high torque motor drives the 5.5 inches cutting blade of this tool to allow you to make a wide range of cuts quickly and smoothly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT DC390B cordless circular saw. If you are looking for the right saw to build bookcases, decks, kitchen cabinets, and more, the DEWALT DC390B cordless circular saw is one of your best options. This circular saw is a beast of a tool, and it is the perfect combination of durability and power. It is also the ideal tool for hardcore DIYers. This tool comes with a powerful motor that offers a running power of up to 3,700 rotations per minute to provide you with fast rip cuts and cross cuts. It comes with a 6.5 inches carbide-tipped blade that offers an excellent cutting capacity of 45 and 90 degrees. The motor is fan-cooled and it offers great durability and a lot of power, and it also comes with replaceable brushes. The shoe of this tool is made from magnesium, which is the strongest you can find in the market. The upper guard is also made of magnesium. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee M1826320 cordless circular saw. Milwaukee is one of the best, most popular brands out there, and the firm has been creating the most potent power tools for a few decades now. The M1826320 is one of the best circular saw from this brand. This cordless circular saw uses an 18-volt Li-ion battery. This tool also comes at a friendly price, putting its toughest rivals aside. One unique feature of this circular saw is that it consists of 2V charge storage capacity in a battery, which means you can cut an additional 5 planks without plugging in the battery. This saw comes with a powerful motor that drives the blade up to 3,500 revolutions per minute. It comes with an electric brake system that will stop your blade quickly when you release the trigger. This is a very important safety feature, and you will no longer need to waste time waiting for the blade to stop before getting back to work. At number 2, we have the Makita XSR01 PT18VX2 cordless circular saw kit. The Makita XSR01 PT cordless circular saw is one of the best circular saws on the market. Makita is a highly reputable manufacturer, and some of the finest power tools out there are from this brand. 2 LXT batteries power this cordless circular saw. This tool provides you with a longer runtime without worrying about the inconvenience of a cord, thanks to its X2 LXT technology. It comes with a BL motor that delivers up to 5,100 rotations per minute. The motor offers a 50% longer runtime per charge, as well as optimal performance. You can also control it electronically. The BL motor is brushless, which means you do not need to worry about carbon brushes. Makita has also designed the motor to remain cool even after running it continuously for hours. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita SH02R112 VMAX Cordless Circular Saw Kit. If you are looking for something very light, something you can use to make fast cuts through 1X material or floor vents, then one of the best options you have is the Makita SH02R1 Circular Saw. This is one of the best mini circular saws in the market. The Makita-built motor of this mini circular saw delivers up to 1,500 rotations per minute, providing you with faster cuts for small tasks. It comes with a 3.375 inches blade that delivers a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch for a variety of cutting applications. This tool also comes with other amazing features, such as LED light that illuminates the cutting area. It comes in very handy when you are making cuts indoors, and it is there to ensure high cutting precision. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.